Hello, guys, and welcome to this new part of our video course. Today, we will talk about how to download VMware. VMware is what is VMware? In fact, what is VMware? VMware workstation. We will see a brief VMware workstation. We will enter to Wikipedia in order to get faster. VMware Workstation Pro, known as VMware Workstation, enter release of VMware Workstation 12 in 2015, is a hosted hypervisor that runs on 64-byte version of Windows and Linux operating system. It enables users to set up virtual machines and so on and so forth. Today we will install VMware Workstation Pro in order to run Ubuntu or Kali Linux, whatever. We will type VMware Workstation Pro download. We will enter to the first link, VMware blogs. So here we must be careful. We must press VMware Workstation Pro download. It will redirect us to broadcom.com access. You must here be careful. You must enter a valid email, not a username. Sorry, but this is how it works. At gmail.com, your email, press next. It will redirect to some page. Don't do anything here, but just press, click here. Having trouble logging in, click here to use our chat bot assistant. It will open a new window, and here you must press register. Register your name of company at use a shared email account or a distribution list. PDL is a security risk in violation of the terms of use of this. So you have to put your email. Personally, I will put my company email. You have to verify your credential if you have a company or not. For example, for my case, I have a company. It is no problem for me. So I will open my email. This is it. This is customer support at Broadcom. I will open the email and I will copy this code. This code is hidden effectively to a note. No problem. I will put it here and I will verify my account. Now we will come to the best part of it. First name, last name, country, Tunisia, for example, title job, engineer, password. I will copy and paste. Password matched, and I will put it just here in a blank file here in my desktop. I will create a new document text. So after we have complete our registration form, I will accept and create account. Just before we forget, I will paste the password. Ctrl C, and I will rename it to VMware password account or Broadcom. PAWD Broadcom. Okay. So I will create account. The account is created, registered successfully. Just now I will press login. Yes, I want to build my profile. Okay. I will press contact and add password. Just now I will be redirected to login. Okay. login page will appear now. I will type contact. I will press fill in the blanks and verify my password, and we will see now if everything goes right. So everything is good. I will go to solutions or product, VMware product. Quite easy. I will go to VMware workstation. Just I will choose to stick with VMware Cloud Foundation, Tanzu from MySQL. I will type workstation. Or whatever, I will go back to my search VMware Workstation Pro download. You must be sneaky here to in order to download the version, and I will go here. It will be redirect me to VMware. We will wait a few moments in order to get the download link. VMware Workstation Pro for Windows. We will choose this release. So, and I will put download, and after that we will begin into the next chapter to install Ubuntu in our virtual machine. I will press this screen and required product download help. Okay, I forgot to click on agree to the terms, and I will hit download, press yes, and effectively it will be downloaded now. Okay, zip code, I will put my zip code, city, quite difficult, not difficult, here, okay, also, okay, and I will agree, and I have to put submit, state, also, and hit submit. Quite difficult, and to download VMware you must be patient, and after that we must have the download button. Okay, and now VMware Workstation Food is with us. I will put it to Linux folder, Linux basics, and I will put it here. I will end this video, and into the next chapter we will see how to install Ubuntu on this VMware machine. Thank you for watching.